Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Mata Di. Merchant Navy Decoded is going to conduct its first IMU-CT mock test series focusing on 29th August 2021. That is the day when IMU-CT 1 2021 is conducting. तो Merchant Navy Decoded की तरफ से first mock test series launch हो रही है guys. The first mock test is coming live this Sunday, that is tomorrow, on 8th of August. Why are we conducting this mock test series, guys? एक बहुत simple reason है उसका, and that is, first thing is, you all must be aware that the timeline has changed. It has become a 2-hour paper, 200 questions. So I thought, why not give students a practice thing so that they can work on their time management skills. Most important thing is, guys, my request is when you are giving this mock test series, please sit in an environment the way you are going to sit when you are giving the IMU-CT exam. तो क्या होता है जब आप उसी तरह से when you are practicing, fear of giving exam vanishes. So this is very important thing. Time management कैसे 200 क्वेश्चन करने हैं 2 घंटे के अंदर करने हैं, practically impossible. Right? So how to cover those things? Which question to answer? Which question to leave? That is the thing which you learn over here. Test of your preparation. जब ये 200 क्वेश्चन देखोगे, बहुत सारे कॉन्सेप्ट्स आपको मिलेंगे which you are aware of. There are a lot of things that you have to become aware of. So that is where you see यार where your preparation is lacking. Still 20 days are left. What else I can do now? Come. And I want to thank all the teachers, whether physics, chemistry, maths, English, aptitude, GK, English, all those teachers for preparing this mock test series with me. Along with that, 2 students, और एक का नाम अभी लिखना भूल गया. One is Sahil Akram, another is Shaurya Arora, and one is Amit Pandey. These 3 students, I want to thank them for helping me throughout with this test series as well. Okay. Challenges with the quiz. Now guys, first challenge is normally when you go for an IMU-CT test, I'll show you what happens is out there is, in an IMU-CT test out there, you will have this screen out here, and you will have all maths questions written over here. Okay, you can go to maths, English, aptitude, GK, something like this. So you can select whichever. Suppose you select maths, so all maths questions will open. Then suppose you want selected English, English questions will open. So basically your mind is prepared that way. Out here in this website, I am retesting your brain with each and every question. So what happens is, any random question can come. After suppose the first question is on maths, second question can be on English, third question can be on aptitude, fourth question can be on chemistry or maths or anything. It's just random. So each time your brain has to evaluate and then come back again. Next is, you can't go back. See, understand one thing. इसके अंदर क्या है? You can go back. आपने कोई question छोड़ा, okay, once the test is complete, I will go back and check. Out here, I have removed that thing as well. So out here, I'm checking your decisiveness. आता है, you know or you don't know. Yes or no. Decide right here, right now, and then move ahead. There is no looking back. So out here, that is where that clarity comes कि यार whether I should attempt it or whether I should leave it. Think and improvise. Areas of improvement. In this quiz, there is no negative marking. Yes, how to evaluate that I'll be telling later in the video when I'll be giving the demo of the quiz as well. So there is no negative marking as of now. तो आपको खुद से calculate करना पड़ेगा कि what are the net effective marks coming. Second thing is, there might be a typo error. So excuse अभी से, गलतियाँ मैं कर सकता हूँ. Though we have checked twice or thrice, but still there might be error. तो अभी से उसके लिए apologies. Third thing is, since this quiz is not been in the world text file, there are questions on matrices, maybe some questions on logs, squares and cubes के अंदर I'll show you that as well. You are not going to find questions like written 2 square. It will be 2, this 2. So that is how you know that is 2 square. So there are some things that I want you to know right now. What we expect from you guys. What we expect from you is, first of all, I want your feedback so that we can improve the quality of our quiz. The moment you give the first quiz, join my Telegram group called IMU-CT Decoded. Share all the criticism that you want to be. Sir, इस quiz में ये खराबी है, ये खराबी है, ये खराबी है. अभी मेरे लिए जानना जरूरी है, so that I can make it better next time. Join our Telegram group. Why? I'll tell you. मैं एक कोशिश कर रहा हूँ in this Telegram group, which I will be monitoring. I will be mentoring myself. Out here in this Telegram group, IMU-CT Decoded. My primary focus for the next 20 days is mentoring you for IMU-CT, and then you guys mentoring you for sponsorship as well. Guidance is something जो आप सबका अधिकार है। तो मैं अपनी तरफ से whatever best I can do, I'll try the best from myself. Done? Third thing that I expect from you guys is sincerity while giving the test, guys. प्लीज इस टेस्ट की कोई वैल्यू नहीं अगर आप सिंसियरली नहीं दे रहे हो। चीटिंग चूटिंग तो सी अगर आप कर रहे हो तो अपने साथ धोखा कर रहे हो, नॉट मी। मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज घर का एटमोस्फेयर बिल्कुल वैसा बनाइए। द टेस्ट इज ऑन अ संडे, sit down at the same time when the test is being conducted or any time you want, no problems with that, but in the same atmosphere, उसी माहौल में शांत बना के जो आपको पेन पेपर लेके बैठना है, give that test in the same platform, same way. Last, find out your flaws and work on them. Yeah, I have completed this topic in this itself. अपनी कमियां पता करो। See, with my team of teachers, I have tried to cover basically all the basic concepts out there. थोड़ा सा लेवल कहीं पर हाई रखा है, कहीं पर लो रखा है, that is a surprise. See, in this test series, there will be one paper. It can be physics, chemistry, maths, or maths, anyone, which will be on a higher level. Some will be easier. So basically, you have to judge yourself which question to select and do, and which question to leave right now. क्योंकि अगर उस क्वेश्चन में you give a lot of time, basically you might miss out on a lot of easier questions which would have given you +1, and your rank would have come risen up like anything. Okay, next. Small advice. It looks small, but if you implement it, it can work wonders in your life. My first small advice is, if you are prepared, overconfident मत बनिए. Keep preparing because there is someone who is working harder than you, right? So please stay focused, stay connected, work hard. Next is, if you are not prepared, अरे बहुत सारे बच्चे ऐसे होंगे जो कि prepared नहीं होंगे. After giving this mock test, they might be thinking, अरे अब मैं क्या करूँ? Where would I go? What to do? I don't know anything. They would be ready to give up. Don't do that. Don't worry. The right time to start is now. Take small steps. At least start. It's better late than never. Lastly, the most important point is covered out here, guys. एक बहुत सीधी सी वर्ड है, Insta, YouTube, PUBG. Try and avoid. If possible, even mobile. Try and avoid, please. It can make wonders in your life, especially during these crucial times. This is the Telegram group called IMU CET Decoded. Please, all those who are joining, please focus again on two things. No फालतू की गपशप. IMU CET की preparation, the test that you have given, mock test. Try to solve those questions among themselves. एक दूसरे से discuss करो amongst your friends, amongst those group members, and try to get the answers. Let us help each other and let this community grow. That should be the idea. Copied? At the end of the day, guys, all I want to say is thank you. Now let's take a demo कि आप ये टेस्ट कैसे दे सकते हैं. लेट्स सी. चलो. सो यहाँ पर ये वेबसाइट है गाइस, merchantnavydecoded.com. merchantnavydecoded.com. You can see the logo. This is my website. Okay, you come out here, down below. Now guys, there are courses over here. You can see this course. अब इसमें मैंने image नहीं लगाई. Image will be put like it is put over here. The image will be something called IMU CET. This is IMU CET online mock test series. Okay, it is free of cost. It is free of cost, guys. So anybody and everyone can give. Okay, now let us go. How to go online? So you click on over here. Then you go on enroll now right now. Okay. So you go on enroll now. So now just put in sign in. Create new account. Okay. So now you will create new account. Okay. And yes, registered. So now you have signed up. So now login करते हैं. Try to remember me कर लो. Login successful. Okay, done. Enroll now. So now start the course. Started the course. Start quiz. Okay guys, 200 questions. Time 120 minutes. मैंने हर quiz के लिए किसी बच्चों को ऐसा नहीं किया. Done one quiz, you can come back again now. Maximum 2 attempts. So that you know that efforts are there. You shouldn't. मतलब अगली quiz जल्दी आएगी. Don't worry. But maximum attempts are 2. Okay. Passing rate I still put 50%. चलो start करो. Start quiz. The first question is, the rate of dissolution of sugar is this. You can select on any of the options. First question done. This is chemistry. The second question comes from maths out here. You can see. Okay, number of tangents. Next question. So this comes from GK. At the green list, the time in India is say 1330 hours. Okay. The average. Now this is from aptitude. So these are random questions coming. So I just keep clicking. I'll just tell you. Next question. Next question. This is okay. पीछे करो. Okay, back. So we can't go back. So once you have selected thing, guys, this is one thing. You can't go back. Decisiveness stands out here. So this is one challenge that you are going to face with this website out here. आगे. Just a second. See, can you see this question, guys? What is this? This is actually x square is equal to 2y. But since I am not able to write x to the power 2 out here, so we have written x, this 2. So this is what you need to understand. Copy it. Next. This is under root GL, this is under root 2 GL, this is 2 into G into L. Okay, next. Number 99. You are about to end the test. Okay. Now guys, over here this is integral log x dx. Whatever please answer, this is x square. Understood. Chalo, submit quiz. Now guys, you have submitted the quiz. You have got the one and one training. So guys, you can see only in the complete 200 questions there were just 2 correct answers. Let me show you over here. Just 2 correct answers because we have made it fast. We have just not submitted. We have just skipped the questions. 10 were incorrect answers. So if you are smart, you can get your marks yourself. Plus 2 minus 10 into 0.25. So this is plus 2 minus 2.5. This is equal to minus 0.5 marks. Copied, guys? So these are the marks that you are getting as of now. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now even if you have failed, let's click on the details part. So the moment guys you click on the details part, this is the best part of this website. All the questions which are incorrect, you are getting the correct answer out here. Side move over karo. See, this was the question. This was the answer given by you. This is the correct answer and this was the incorrect answer. This is the question. This was the answer given by you. This is the actual answer. So this is correct answer. So यहाँ पर आपको पूरा A to Z मिल जाएगा. And this is where now moment you get this, write it on a piece of paper and start discussing in the Telegram group. Let us see अगर हम एक दूसरे concept पे काम करते हैं, whether we can get better answers and we learn or not. So that is where this is your first mock test series. First mock test. Second mock test will be coming soon. And I try to improve this mock test series as much as possible with feedbacks given by you and whatever the time frame that I have. With this, all I want to say is thank you very much. Jai Mata Di.